Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can easily change Workweek in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Wrike, and when you're going to be here, you want to go right top corner to profile and then just click on settings. When you're going to be in settings, you just want to click here on settings and just scroll. Where is it? No, here, work schedules. Here, this is where we're looking to find. And then you can simply click edit work week, and you can simply change, like if you're working to Monday to Thursday, you can edit that and delete Friday. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, see ya.